Hi all, welcome to the fourth training video for the General Computer Skills Training, Summer 2018. My intros are getting shorter and shorter each video. The goal of these videos are to train you in these general computer skills. Feel free to check the link down below if you'd like to see any of the other videos. Diving in, today we're going to be focusing in on copying from a manuscript file into a Word file. And so if you have a PDF file that you've been working with and you'd like to bring that into a manuscript in Word, we'll also go through copying photographs into Word and color coding things in Word. If you don't have access to Microsoft Word, don't worry. You can use OpenOffice or any similar word processing software. I'll put the links down below. So, to start out, open the file that we downloaded, wu_webinar.pptx.text. If you haven't done the initial tutorials, just take a look at that download link in the video below to access it. All right, so we've opened this up. And so how I did this, in case you're wondering, is just by going to this PC, going to where I stored it, which is right in here in my desktop, double-clicking on this, choosing Open With, choose another app, and opening down here with the Word right here. All right. If it was a document, a traditional Word document, it would be opened automatically. All right. So now we've done this correctly, and we are right here, have this open. This is perfect. So first what we want to do is go to our test PDF file here and load up some stuff that we want to copy. Now note that I pushed this over to the screen so that it automatically stuck to that side of the screen. How I did that was I left-clicked on the top blue bar of the Word window icon. I then clicked and held on the left with the left click and brought it up to the right hand corner of the screen. This then stuck the window to that area. I can do the same with this. Perfect. Now we can see both. Let's say I didn't like the way this section had copied over, and I in fact wanted to replace it. I can easily highlight this by clicking and dragging and use my shortcut keys, Control-C, and click in here, Control-V, paste that in with the correct formatting. Nice. Now it's formatted just the way I want it to be. That's great. Now what if I really wanted these images? Note that these images don't exist here. This is disappointing to me. Well, the first thing I can try to do is highlight them. But I see because these are embedded, they won't highlight. So our next goal, as listed here, copy from photograph to Word. If I wanted to access the photographs in here, I'm going to have to go back to that PDF document, open it locally instead of in Chrome. This means double-clicking on the PDF document in my desktop, zooming into that photo, which is right here, using the arrow key to highlight it. This highlights that. Right-click, copy image, or just Control-C. Then Control-V to paste it. Ah, nice. Now we have our original image here and the original image here. This is nice. We now can access these original images like so. Very nice. All right. So that was, again, just Control-C, Control-V. Here, Control-C, Control-V. This one, the transparency doesn't come in very well. This sometimes does happen. If I really, really wanted to access this information, I could screenshot this or pull it out in some other way. All right, that's a future video though. So now we've brought in images into this file, and looking back to here, The next thing we might want to do is color code table areas in Word. Now, Microsoft Word is quite a complex beast, and over the years it's only become more complex. But if I'd like to say, highlight the fact that cellulosic biomass is a nice green color in this, so I'll copy this over and put it up here. What I can do is actually, I'm going to double click on this to make it fully large. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the color gradient from here. And here's how I'll do that. Not that way. Just looking around for it. Still looking around for it. You'd think I would remember where this. Well, when in doubt, you can always search up here. Which sometimes doesn't work. Sometimes you just spend. Does it not exist here? It has to exist here. Well, alright, well let's say you wanted to make it this nice green color. All you have to do is highlight this, go here, you can highlight this general green color here. That's nice, but that's not really the green we're looking for. So let's go into this section here, right here, and then look at the more colors that we can make it. Another thing we could do is go to more colors over here, go to custom colors, and then select the exact value of green that we want. In this case, what we would really like is to select a different color here. Let's say we want it to be a nice green text, and that's all we want. We can go to more colors, custom colors, then click the color we'd like here. Then, if I remove this highlighting, which I'll do by clicking no color in the highlighting window, we can see it here. It works quite well. Nice. All right, so now we've gone through the process of creating colored text in our manuscript here that matches vaguely the color here. We've copied the photos and images and text from the manuscript into Word, from PDF into a Microsoft Word file. We've copied photographs into Word, and we've color-coded table or text areas in Word. Thanks, and this is your last tutorial for this section. We'll be adding more in the next couple weeks, so if you like these videos, feel free to push the like button, and if you really like it, feel free to subscribe. This is done all in my spare time, so if you have any comments or suggestions, they are as always welcomed. Thank you to Dr. Hunt for a great and engaging academic discourse as always, and I love doing these things. So all the best. Thanks everyone. Feel free to like that down below. Bye.